Welcome my friends, we are studying Mathematics Grade 6 Term 2. This is cumulative assessment till lesson 6 of unit 10. Let's get started. We have the first question. Correct answer. Choose the correct answer. First point, 60 meters per hour equals what meters per minute? Of course, we have here two conversion factor between meters per hour and meter per minute. So we have 60 meter per hour equals what? Also meter but per minute. So the conversion here, we have minute and minute. There is no change, okay? But the change here, hour becomes minute. So to change hour to becomes minute, what you do? Of course, hour equals 60 minutes, right? So here we have, now I have 60 here, 60, and here we have also 60, but hour will convert to minute. That's mean what? How many minute in 1 hour? We have 60 minutes. So I will write here 60 again. So minute, meter, stay meter, but hour, I delete hour and I put 60 minutes. Now where is the number? The number is 60 over 60. 60 over 60 equals 1. Equals 1. So 60 meter per hour equals 1 meter per minute. Okay. Next point, B. We have 4 over 7 divided by 1 over 7. That's a division between two fractions. The first fraction with no change, and the division will be multiplication. And the second term, or the divisor, find the reciprocal, 7 over 1. Now that's equal. And don't forget, before make the times here, I will simple these two fractions. I have 7 over 7. So I have here 1 over 1. Okay? That's mean I have 4 as the numerator times 1. And here we have 1 times 1. That's equal. 4 times 1, 1 times 1. That's equal 4. Okay? So the right to choose is point A. Next point, C. 1 meter over what is not a conversion factor. Conversion factor have two conditions. What's the two conditions? The first condition, the same quantity. What does it mean? Meter for length. So the second unit must be for length. Okay? Okay. Which one is length? Centimeter length, millimeter length, kilometer length, minute for time, and meter for length. So this conversion factor is not conversion factor because it's have two different quantity. One is for length and the other one for time. So 60 minutes will make it as not conversion factor. Next point D, 4.8 liter, L for liter, times what equals 4,800 milliliter. So we note that we convert liter to milliliter. Liter equals how many milliliter? 1,000 milliliter, right? Right. So to change from liter to milliliter, the conversion factor here is what? How many milliliter we have? We have 1,000 milliliter over 1 liter. Don't forget. So we have 1,000 milliliter over 1 liter. This is a right conversion factor. Why? Because 1,000 milliliter equals to 1 liter. That's it. Right? I can simplify them as 1. So any number times 1, there is no change. So now the right choose here, 100 milliliter equals 1 liter? Of course not. 1,000 liter equal 1 milliliter? No. 1,000 milliliter equals 1 liter? Right. Okay? Okay. Next point E, we have a division between two decimal number, 72.3 divided by 100. Of course we know that our problem about the division between decimals is the divisor. What we do here, of course, look for the divisor here. I need to make this divisor as a whole number. How? By moving this point to place, to right, to make it as 1. So the divisor will be 1. But as you move this decimal point to place to right, I have to move this decimal point to place to right. You have just one place here. What you do? Put 0. Okay? Now, what this number will become? 7,230. So, any number divided 1, there is no change. 7,230. So, choose point A. Last point of correct answer. To find the simplest form, we need simplest form of the ratio 12 to 18. We divide the two terms by what? Okay, I have this ratio. Okay, I need to find simplest form. You have to divide simple, so I will divide two terms by what? GCF, great common factor, from the first time. Okay, now I need to find what? I need to find the GCF between 12 and 18. Look with me. I can divide both 12 and 18 by 2. Okay. 3 by 3. Okay. 4. No, 4. 4 is not a factor of 18. 5. No, 5. 6. Maybe 6, yes. Okay. 7. 8. No. 9. No. 10. No. 11. And 12. No. That means GCF is 6. But this way is not accurate way. But you can make the prime factorization. I can make the prime factorization of 12 and 18 to find GCF. How? Look with me. I have first 12. 12 can be 2 times 6. 6 can be 2 times 3, that's it. And 18, 2 times 9. 9 is 3 times 3. Okay, that's it. Now, GCF, to take what? To take the repeated prime factor. I have here 2 and 2. That's the first. So I have 2 and 3 and 3. So I have 3. And 3 and 2, it's not repeated. It's 2 and 3. Okay, that's it. So the GCF will be 2 times 3. That's 6. Okay? That is a way to find the GCF by the easiest way. Okay. Now 6 is the correct answer. Next question. Number 2. We have complete the following. First point, A, 2 and 1/4 days equals what hours? Okay, now we have 2 units of time, day and hours. First, before doing anything, day, 1 day equals how many hours? 24 hours. That's it. You change from what? I change from the biggest to the smallest. Okay? I change from day to hours. From the big to the small, I will times 24. So I will make this number times 24 to find how many hours. Now I need to 2 times. I have 2 and 1/4 times 24. How to times? You have 2 ways. The first way, to multiply 24 times 2 plus 24 times 1/4. Look with me. First, 2 times 24 plus 1/4 times 24. That's it. Okay, that's equal what? 2 times 24 equals 48. Easy. And 1/4 times 24. First simplify. Over 4 equals 1. Over 4 equals 6. So 6 times 1 over 1, that's equal 6. So 48 plus 6 equal 54. 54. So the right answer is 54 hours. Okay? Okay. Next point B, fifth of 45. Fifth, that's mean 1 over 5 of means times 45. That's equal. Before times, I will symbol. Over 5 equals 9. Over 5 equals 1. 9 times 1 over 1, that's 9. Okay, next point, see, the next ratio. We have 2 to 5, then 6 to 15, then 18 to 45. Then what? Now I need to know the sequences. Here, the sequence here, the first term, 2 becomes 6. Times what? Times 3. 2 becomes 18. 2 becomes 6 times 3. 2 becomes 18 times 9. So what? No, it's not the right sequence. The right sequence here, 2 times 3 equals 6. And 6 times 3 equals 18. And 18 times 3 give you the first term. Look here. So here the sequence is times 3, okay. But 5 becomes 15 times 3. 15 becomes 45 times 3. So the sequence here is to multiply the numerator and denominator, or the first term and the second term, by 3, sorry, okay? That means I need to find 18 times 3 and 45 times 3. So 18 times 3, 3 times 8, 24. Then up to 3 times 1, 3 plus 2 equals 54. So the first term is 54. 2 what? We have 45 times 3. 45 times 3. 3 times 5, 15, can up 1. 3 times 4, 12. 12 plus 1, that's equal 13. So the second term is 135. Okay? Next point D. 1500 kilogram equals what gram? Okay. Now, you convert it from kilogram to gram. I know what? I know that kilogram equal 1000 gram. So I convert from the big to the small. Okay, from the great to the small. So times or divide? Of course, times. So the number I will times it by 1000. So I will times 1500 times 1000. That's equal what? That's times. And this is 30. Just add this 30. 1,500,000. 1,500,000 is the correct answer. Last point. 2.5 hour equals what minute? The same. Hours equal how many minutes? 60 minutes. That's it. So when you change hour to minute, I will times 60. Okay, from the great to the small, I will times 60. So I have 2.5 times 60. How to solve? That's easy. I will times 2 times 60 plus half times 60. 2 times 60 equals what? Quickly, 120 plus half times 60, that's 30. I can add 120 to 30, 150. That's the correct answer. 150 minutes. That's the end of question number 2. Complete the following. Let's go to the last question, number 3. Okay. Question number 3 said we have 3 points. The first point A. Iman covered 3/4 kilometers in 60 minutes. The question is, what is the distance covered in 2 minutes? So we have 2 ratios here. Okay, I have the first ratio, 3/4 as the first term, by what? By 6 minutes. The first ratio, that's equals. The distance here is unknown, that's x. Okay, in what time? 2 minutes. Of course, 2 minutes corresponding to 6 minutes. 2 corresponding to 6. And distance x corresponding to 3/4 kilometers. Okay, now I need to find the value of x. That's easy. How? We have 2 ways. I have 6 becomes 2. How? Or 2 becomes 6. I need x becomes 3/4. And 2 becomes 6. 2 becomes 6 times 3. Right? So x times 3 equals 3/4. No, I need, that's it. So 2 times 3 equal x. 2 times 3 equals 6. And I can find out that x times 3 equals 3 over 4. Now I have what? I have equation with one unknown, x. I need to find x. How to find x? Of course, x I have here times 3. How to get rid of this times 3? I need to divide 3 here and divide 3 here. That's why to say that 3 over 3 equals 1. So I finished this problem. Now I have what? Now we have just one x as the left side. But the right side we have what? We have 3 over 4 over, this means divide 3. How to divide here? The first term, change to multiply, and find the reciprocal, 3 over 1, 1 over 3. Don't forget, simplify first, 3 over 3 equals 1 and 1. Now you have what? I have 1 times 1, and 4 times 1 equals 4. That's fourth, 1/4. So the distance covered in 2 minutes is 1 over 4 kilometer. That's it. Next point B. Which is the longest? 1.34 hundredths meter or 200 centimeter? Which is the longest? That means I need to make a compare. How to compare between two different units? So to compare I need the same unit. Now I need it as centimeter and centimeter or meter and meter. The easiest way here to convert meter to centi or centi to meter, that's the same. I know that 1 meter equal 100 centimeter. That's it. So I will change meter to centimeter from the great to the small. So I will multiply 100. So if I multiplied 1.34 times 100, what we do? 20 will move this point to place. That's equal 134 centimeter. And the other distance is 200 centimeter. Now I can compare. I have 134 centimeter and the other side is 200 centimeter. Of course, 200 centimeter is the longest. Okay. Last point C. We have two questions here. The first question is 6.3 divided by 700, and the next point 6.3 times 700. We know that that's the same terms, okay, but the difference here division and here we have multiply. So let's see how to deal with this problem. First, division. Look for divisor. I need this divisor as what? As 7. How? By move decimal point 2 place to right. I need to move decimal point 2 place to right. I need 0 here. So this point, this number will be 630. That's it. Do it as long division. What? 63 divided 7. That's 9. 9 times 7, 63. We have 0, but 0 up. So we have 90. That's 90. So the product is, the quotient here is 90. Let's go to the times problem. Here we have times. We forget all decimal point. That's I have 36 times 7. Find the result. 6 times 3, 21. 2 and carry up 1 and carry up 2. 6 times 7, 42 plus 2, 44. You have 441. That's equal 441. Don't forget decimal point. We have here 1 decimal place, and here we have 2 decimal place. That's mean 3 decimal place. 1, 2, 3, put the point and 0. So the result or the product here is 441,000. Okay, and that's the end of our cumulative assessment till lesson 6 of unit 10. I wish you to subscribe and like our channel. Best wishes. Thank you.